Honolulu, aloha. And there's a little green man, Roger. Take care, little green man, Mod Squad, Mobile. Hey, little green man, Mod Squad, Mobile. Right back. You have a good day. Aloha. One call.
Hello, little green man. Hey, little green man, 45 Honolulu. Little green man, 45 mini grass. Aloha. Bye, 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 little green man, 45 cruise in the mini grass. Aloha. Mini grass gone.
Wake 'em up, little green man. Little green man, wake 'em up. Little green man, Mod Squad, Honolulu.
16Double0, man, you better feed the flowers for yourself, because you're smoking, man. 16Double0, 45 coming out of Honolulu, good day. Man, in his UFO, I'm gone.
And there's a little green man, Roger. Take care, little green man, Mod Squad, Honolulu. Say you got it down. Mod Squad, Mobile, aloha.
5, aye. 6, a local boy, 056.
Aloha, aloha. Hey, 056, you have a good one too now. 056, Mod Squad Mobile. Mod Squad Mobile gone. Bye, little green man.
Mod Squad, contact.
Bye, bye, bye.
Bye.
Bye, 15056. Bye, 056. Bye, little green man. Mod Squad Mobile. Catch you later. Aloha. Hey, 056, they're trying to get you. They're trying to get you, 056. Aloha.
Butcher boy, 45 coming out of Honolulu. How about it, Butcher boy? Hey, Butcher boy, 45 mini grass. Butcher boy, 45 in a mini grass. Bye.
Hey, Butcher boy, who you waiting on, Butcher boy? Butcher boy, who you waiting on? Mod Squad, Honolulu.
Coming out of Honolulu, bye. That's not what he's waiting on, man. Maybe he got a little bit slippery in a waiting room, 056, and he's evergreens while Mount St. Helens got down.
Right back, 056. Well, you up in front. Take care, 056. You're sitting up in front in Honolulu. 056, Mod Squad in the Mobile. Read the mail. Aloha. Right there, little green man. Hey, little green man, Mod Squad say you walk in the mini crash. Take care, little green man, Mod Squad. Little green man, Mod Squad said your turn. Aloha.
45, you're doing it too. Hey, Mod Squad, I'm gone.
Bye, little green man. You're doing it. You're doing it in Honolulu. Little green man, Mod Squad. Aloha.
52 Honolulu, little green man, break. Bye. My old friend 16Double0.
And Mod Squad, catch you later. The little green man, Mod Squad gone.
Look at 52 Honolulu, break up. Green man, 45 Mobile, break.
Bye, bye, bye. Aloha.
Lights out.
1600 Mod Squad said your turn. 1600 Mod Squad said your turn. Hello, 1600 Mod Squad, Honolulu. Bye bye bye. Hey, 056 said hello, man. 056 said hello to you there. Hey, 1600 056 with the friendly 5 told me to tell you hello. Mod Squad, Mobile gone. Aloha. Okay, 056.
5252 Honolulu, back quiet. You asked him if he remembers my little station. By 160052 Honolulu, I heard you. Have a good day.
I'm sure he remember you, 056. Hey, 056, I'm sure he remember his neighbor there. Take care, 056 1600 15 New Mexico. Mod Squad gone. Bye.
Hey, little green man 45, little green man 45, Mobile, Aloha.
Hey, 1600 056 with the friendly 5. 056 with the friendly hello. Mod Squad gone. There. Take it, 1600 and 056, he got it all. Hey, 056, he got it all. He sent you a 5 right back. He sent you the friendly 5 right back. All right, 056 15 New Mexico. You jumping up and down. Aloha. Get him there, 15. Hey, 15, go get him. Go get him, 15. Mod Squad gone. Hey, he always do that. Hey, 1600, he always do that. Bye, 1600, he do that every day. He do that every day. Right back, 1600. All right, 1600. I'm gonna slide to the side and see what's going on too. 1600 Mod Squad working the Mobile gone. Aloha. Contact.
I like that. Must be crazy.
Carolina, Mod Squad, Honolulu. Hello, around Carolina, Mod Squad in Honolulu. Aloha. Right back. Mod Squad, Honolulu there. I'm trying to get that 28 there. Come on down. Hey, if that's you out there, Screwdriver, you have a good one, man. I got a lot of bees in here. Mod Squad, Honolulu, aloha. Right back, Screwdriver. You take care, man. Hey, Screwdriver Mod Squad. Mobile got it all that time around. Screwdriver Mod Squad in Honolulu. Read the mail. Aloha.